sleigh bells, it's Christmas. Hear the sleigh bells, it's Christmas time.
Hi, I'm John Wilson. I'm a member of the Uxbridge Optimist Club here in town, and this is our 13th annual Fantasy of Lights that we've been putting together, and we've been here since since mid-September, just about 2 or 3 times a week, putting everything together. And it's a lot of fun. It's a lot of hard work, but it's just a wonderful event, and it's special this year because it's about the only event going on in town. And we have 25 acres of lights here, all lit up, and it's going to be lots of displays. We have between around 60 or 70 displays, and all set up by people in town, the townsfolk, the families. Some of them are businesses, churches, service clubs, and things like that.
It's Christmas time.
Grab your coat, it's getting cold. Just look at the falling snow. There's season's greetings, happy meetings, oh, and a little bit of mistletoe. They're decorating the Christmas tree with a star up top for you and me. Can you hear the sleigh bells? It's Christmas time.
So we're really looking forward to seeing you here, and have a wonderful time. And come on down between every day from December 5th to January 2nd, and it's between 6 o'clock to 9:30 every single night. Okay? See you there.
It's Christmas time.
What would you like?
The sound of sleigh bells on reindeer only come this time of year. With Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen, run, run, Rudolph, all you will be missed when Santa Claus gets his paws on his red sleigh. When his elves clear the shouts, he'll go flying on his merry way. He's spreading joy all along the route, all around the world in one night. Can you hear the sleigh bells? It's Christmas. Hear the sleigh bells? It's Christmas. Hear the sleigh bells? It's Christmas time. Oh, can we give it one more time?
Merry Christmas!